Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. So we are in the ninth law for the laws of exponent, and please try as much as possible to review previous video, okay? And before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and also click on the notification bell so that when I post new videos, you'll be the first person to know. The derivative law basically is talking about differentiation and its derivative. The differentiation and its derivative principle have been discussed in another video series, okay? So I'm not going to talk about what are the mechanisms of differentiation here and how it applies to exponents. I have another video series for that. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to just state the formula, and also please refer to my differentiation video. I think it should be the basic differentiation video series, okay? So you just go to the basic differentiation series in the playlist, select it, and you can watch it here. So we're going to just state the formula and show you how to do it. So for the derivative law, it states that if y is equal to e raised to power x, okay, and you are meant to differentiate this, the y over the x is going to be, as usual, you differentiate the power, which is going to be 1. So 1 multiplied by the original question, and that will give you e raised to power x. So the dy dx for this is going to be e raised to power x, okay? And also, I also explained to you when we have ekx, okay, and you are told to differentiate this as well. So you're going to differentiate. If you differentiate the power, kx is going to give you what? K multiplied by the original question, ekx. Are you seeing it? And that will give you kekx. All right. So that is the derivative law. So I've talked about this in detail in the derivative, in the basic differentiation with Terry video. All right, I have a whole video series on this, so please go back and have a look and practice. Okay, so let's pick an example for this. So let's assume that you were told that y is equal to 5 exponential x, and we're told to differentiate this. So dy over dx will be equal to, you differentiate the power is going to be 1 multiplied by the original question, and that will give you 5 exponential what? X. Okay, then number 2, let's pick another one. Let's say we have y is equal to maybe 3 exponential 4x. It could be anything. So the same thing, the y over the x will be equal to, you differentiate the power. The power is going to give you 4 multiplied by 3 exponential what? 4x. And this is going to give you 12 exponential what? 4x. Let me pick one more. So let's assume we have y is equal to 3 over 2 exponential x over 2. Okay, exponential x over 2. So let's go there. So we have the y over the x will be equal to, when differentiate x over 2, I showed you how to do this. It's going to give you half. Okay, and so remember I told you that, so you have sorry, so I told you that for the derivative for that, so you have x 1 over 2x. Are you seeing it? So you can write it as x, then we have either 2 minus 1, but it's not going to be helpful here, all right? So you can now just say x, 1. You multiply x times 1 is going to give you half, x, 1 minus 1, and that will give you 1 over 2 x to the power 0, and that will give you what? Half, okay? So that's how I got the half. So just in case. All right, so please go back and review the previous video on this. So the dy over dx, when differentiate x over 2, is going to give you 1 over 2 multiplied by the original question, which is 3 over 2 exponential x over 2. And when you multiply this, it's going to give you 3 over 4 exponential x over 2, and that will be the answer for that. Okay, so that is it. That is how you solve it. So basically, you differentiate the power and you multiply it by the original question. I also showed you all the steps for each of it, so you can go to the video from the playlist and just search for basic differentiation, and you will see all the mechanisms for differentiation. And one of the mechanisms deals with how to differentiate exponential functions. All right, so that is that for that. Then we'll now go to the 10th law, which is the integral law. Okay, how do you integrate exponential functions? As usual, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. So when I post the 10th law about integral law, you'll be the first person to know. Okay. All right. So I will see you in the next video. And don't forget, for exponential functions, to differentiate it, you differentiate the power and you multiply it with the original what? Question. So see you soon. I'll see you in the next video.